Welcome to Ready2Transfer.com, where you can make awesome gang sheets. Let's learn how to create a gang sheet. First, select Build a Gang Sheet from our menu options. Next, choose your gang sheet size and navigate to our gang sheet builder by selecting the Build Your Own Gang Sheet button. Select Start a brand new gang sheet. To upload your design image, click the Upload Image button. And once uploaded, you can click or drag on the design image to add it to the blank gang sheet. You can click the uploaded image multiple times to add more. If needed, you can change the size of the gang sheet by clicking this drop-down. Now you can start editing your design images. You can drag the corners to make your design larger or smaller. Alternatively, you can enter the dimensions manually on the left. Make sure the border around each design is green for the best resolution for high-quality prints. You can further adjust your design image using the options at the top bar of the editor. Click here to undo or redo any changes. Make sure to pay attention to any errors at the top. If you want to save some time and effort, use our Auto Build feature by clicking the Auto Build button. Select how many of each design image you would like to add and click Apply to see the results. The sheet size will automatically adjust its size based on the number of images you added. Once you have completed your gang sheet, click the Save and Add to Cart button. Make sure there are no overlapping images, overlapping items, or low-resolution issues, and check the box to agree. Name your gang sheet design, then select Add to Cart and exit. Thanks for watching.